In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the Chrome PDF viewer on a Mac. If you prefer to download PDFs and open them in apps like Preview or Acrobat, or you just want to keep copies of files instead of viewing them in the browser, this setting is exactly what you need. Start by opening Google Chrome on your Mac. Look to the top right corner of the Chrome window for the three-dot menu icon. Click that to open the menu, then choose Settings. This takes you to Chrome's Preferences, where we'll change how PDF files are handled. On the left side of the Settings page, click Privacy and Security. This section controls how Chrome interacts with sites and content. Next, click Site Settings. Think of this as the control room for what websites are allowed to do and how specific file types are treated. Scroll down until you reach the Content section. It's a long list, so don't worry if you have to scroll a bit. When you see additional content settings, click it to expand more options. You'll find a dedicated area just for PDF behavior. Click PDF Documents. Here you'll see a simple choice that determines what Chrome does when you open a PDF link. Select Download PDFs. With that one change, you've disabled Chrome's built-in PDF viewer. From now on, when you click a PDF link, Chrome will automatically download the file instead of opening it in a tab. After you make this change, expect PDFs to land in your default Downloads folder, and you'll see them appear on Chrome's download shelf at the bottom of the window. You can open them from there, or go to your Downloads folder and open them with your preferred app. This is especially helpful if you need advanced features, annotations, or consistent fonts that your desktop PDF software handles better. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If a PDF was already open in a tab, refresh the page after changing the setting so Chrome applies the new behavior. And if you're testing with a link and nothing seems to happen, check the Downloads shelf or the Downloads folder. Some PDFs are small and download almost instantly. That's all there is to it. You've told Chrome to download PDFs instead of previewing them, giving you more control over how and where you work with your files. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined PDF workflow on Mac.